Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you are watching this video. We'll be talking about simple future tense. We will use the simple future tense when we talk about things in the future or things we plan in the future. So let's do a recap on all the tenses we have learned before by using a timeline. When we are talking about things in the present, things happening now, usually we will use the present tense. When we are talking about things in the past, we'll use the past tense. So what about things in the future? Let's say things I do tomorrow, next week, or next month. In this case, we will use the future tense. The key structure of future tense is simple. No matter what the subject is, we use the word will or will not. So we use will to talk about positive events and will not, or you may say won't, for negative events. After will or will not, we will add an action verb, which is the original form of verb. If you are not sure about the original form of verb, you can go to the verb table at the end of your textbook, and then you will see the first column of the verb table. They are all the original form of verb. Then we will look at some examples on using future tense. So I have two things to do tomorrow. Buy 2 boxes of face masks and not going hot pot. Because they are plans for tomorrow, so obviously I will use the future tense. I say, I will buy 2 boxes of masks. And for my plan on going hot pot, as I put a cross in my plan, that means I should use the negative form of future tense, will not, and then adding the original form of verb, go hot pot. In conclusion, you must be familiar with the structure of using future tense, the word will and will not.